Today, we're making air-fried chicken katsu. This recipe makes for a delicious, crispy, and savory meal. So, let's get cooking. Tenderize 6 boneless, skinless chicken thighs to about 1/4 inch thicknesses. For our sauce, mix 1/4 cup of ketchup, 1 cup of worechester sauce, and 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Coat each thigh in flour before dipping in egg wash and finally coating in panko. We'll do 2 thighs at a time and spray it with canola oil. Let these cook at 350 degrees Fahrenheit before flipping and cooking for another 10 minutes. We'll repeat this process for the remaining chicken thighs and prep 4 cups of brown rice in the background as we wait. Now that all of our chicken is ready, we can portion everything out and cut it all up. Once our chicken is cut up and plated with everything else, we can drizzle our tonkatsu sauce over everything and enjoy. This is a delicious meal and super easy to make. I highly recommend adding some veggies on the side as well. To reheat, simply microwave for 3 to 4 minutes. As we can see, the cost of each meal is about $1.36. This is a great price as food prices continue to rise. Let me know how it goes down in the comments below and what foods you want to see next.